Alright, guys. Let's talk about what I was doing in my last couple of videos. That I was talking about using the new app, BTCC mobile trading app. It's basically it's you're trading um covered calls, right? Um, okay. What I know about covered positions is that it can get pretty risky, but it allows you to it allows uh the brokers to give you a better position in your margins, right? Because it allows the brokers to help you cover the the calls on your costs, on your what do you call it, on your on your on your contracts. So basically, you're leveraging margins, and then it's protected, right? So with the company, the BTCC company, they're actually helping you out in the risk management by doing covered calls so that you maintain a smaller risk than you would if you would just take either a long or short position on on you know on on a crypto, right? Um, yeah, more or less. So um, that's what's good about this app. So see, you see there, BTCC right at the bottom corner. Um, I'm pretty sure B stands for, I don't know, binary maybe, or Bitcoin. I don't know. And then T is trading cover calls or something like that. Um, and then what I want to talk about next is perpetual, right? So these right here, you're trading perpetual contracts. And what I understand about perpetual contracts is that they don't have an expiration date. So it's indefinite, right? Um, so and it's a covered it's a covered contract too, right? So you either go long position or short position. Going long means that you're basically taking a position to uh, for the market to pump, right, or the market to go up in number, right? So XRP, if I go long, which is the green button, when you trade it, it says long or short, and then short is the red button. Short means for it to go down, like the price to go down, and long means for the price to go up, right? So I've been taking long positions on all of the altcoins just because, like, I put the arrow there, right? You see the arrow, right? If you look at it, right, we have all the moving average consolidating, and then we're just looking for good confirmation, right? So today, the market crashed for Bitcoin, right? Like I said in the last couple of videos, I say even if Bitcoin crashes, right, these other coins are just gonna go up, right? And I like reading charts. These are charts that I like to read, right? And so I have it on a weekly time frame right there, 1 week, right? And even though the market crashed, right? And if you look at my dotted green line, that's my buying average right there, right? I'm right below it. Literally, I'm right below it. So 330, 234. That's my cost, my average cost on my trade, and and I'm it's at 333. So, and I mean, it took me a few buy-ins to scale it down, but you know, at least I was able to recognize um that taking a long position is better than taking a short position, right? And that's what you guys have to understand, right? And when people trade and like they assume that trading is something fun, it's fun if you can win. It's not fun when you lose, right? Um, and you want to make good price predictions, and then you also want to make good swing predictions. You don't want to make short term predictions. You want to make long term predictions, right? That's why I prefer to be a swing trader than a day trader, because being a day trader, like, you're scalping for the immediate gratification, right? I practice delayed gratification. So I like I like anything more than just something um short, right? No pun intended. But anyway, long term. Think about long term, right? This is a perpetual contract, so it's indefinite. There's no expiration date. You know what I mean? So, like I said, what I mean, this stuff, to me, when I find stuff out that my meets me halfway in this way, right? I could do this all day. You know what I mean? Like, the value of something like this to me is worth a lot, right? Because I I literally can win all the time, right? Um, it's almost like playing a game, right? If you can unlock something, unlock it. You know what I mean? You just gotta understand it, right? Um, but yeah, that's my 2 cents. I'm trying to help people out, understand this a lot more. You know what I mean? I see the long position better than the short position, and this is the proof of the pudding. And you guys you know, don't agree. Give me the reason why that this graph, that the arrow that I drew is wrong. If you're looking at the um the MACD, right? Um, it's already looking to swing over um a reverse, right, into the green. But if you look at the graph, right, you see that the lows, every low is higher uh every week, right? So even when you look at the red, right, like, it's it's there. You know what I mean? Go ahead and hit me on the follow, hit me on the Instagram, hit me on